Lost access to your Bitget wallet and feeling a little panicked? Don't worry, I will show you how to find your private key, your ultimate backup plan. First, open your Bitget wallet app. Look for the profile icon. It's usually in the top left or right corner of the screen, depending on your phone's operating system. Tap on your profile icon, which will bring you to your profile settings. In the settings menu, find Security Center and tap on it. This is where you manage your wallet security features. Within the Security Center, you'll see several security options. Look for an option labeled either Backup Private Key or Export Private Key. The wording might slightly differ, but the concept is the same. Tap on that option. Before you can reveal your private key, the app will likely show you a very important warning. Read it carefully. This message stresses that your private key is extremely sensitive and should never be shared with anyone. Acknowledge the warning and proceed. Now, your private key will be displayed on the screen. It will probably be partially obscure, and you will need to tap something like Show or Reveal to see the full key. Be sure you are in a safe, private place before you do this. Once revealed, carefully copy the private key and store it securely offline. Do not save it in cloud storage or email it to yourself. A physical handwritten copy is often best. That's it. You've successfully located your Bitget wallet private key. Remember, keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Your private key is the key to your kingdom. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe.